Hello everyone, welcome to the another session of the Twinkling Dentistry. Today we are talking about post tooth extraction instructions, as this is not so complicated topic but it's an still very important topic. So today we are going to know about what are the helpful tips and instructions we have to follow after the tooth instruction. So the first thing is to bite the gauze firmly for about 30 minutes, as it is ideal period, as it helps in reducing the bleeding and helps in the clot formation. Moving on the next, if you have swelling, there is nothing to worry about. It's quite normal. Apply an ice pack on the side of your face where surgery was performed immediately after the procedure to keep down swelling. Cold juice. Cold juice, but it should be without straw because straw will create negative pressure in the mouth. It causes bleeding from the extraction side. So cold juice but without straw, or the person can have ice cream is instructed, and we need to tell the patient the effect might be 5 to 4 hours even after the extraction. So patient may have tendency to bite on the lips, on tongue, so it might create problem. Other will be injury might not feel, but what if once the effect of LA has gone, it might be noticed effect, pain or injury. So we need to instruct the patient and inform that there should be an anesthesia effect for 3 to 4 hours, not to cause injury, and patient should take all the medication. Now if the patient has suture, then he have to come back after 7 to 10 days for suture removal. Now after that first 24 hours, patient do not smoke at least for 24 hours until the wound heals, as smoking affect the process of wound healing. And again tell the patient not to use any straw for drinking juice or anything, and instruct the patient not to blow the nose if the sinus is involved, or not to play any musical instrument at least for 1 month, because if sinus is involved, blowing will disturb the sinus and patient might feel pain and other discomfort. And not to brush or rinse for, they are allowed to rinse but do not brush from the surgical site at least 3 days. The thing is clot formation at the surgical site, and the rinsing should also be careful, not so forceful. Rinsing might affect the clot formation and patient can rinse the mouth. Patient should not split immediately or excessively, not to drink hot beverage liquid. Patient should be restricted from that side chewing, and ask the patient to use light food from other side. And if any problem persists, then should consult the doctor. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.